Hey guys, welcome to another video with Mickey's Tea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you think. All right, let's get started. Ouch. Hey guys, so today I am going to be trying on a wig. More like trying to install a wig. To be honest, I'm already behind schedule, so I'm just gonna show you guys the wig so we can see the wig. This is the wig. It's been like 2 years and I never put it on. I just think like because my cheeks is big that it would make my face look fatter. I'm caught into my hair. All right, let's get started. Ouch. Jesus. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I got some alcohol, 91%. I'm just going to clean my face because I washed it, and I definitely put some lotion in there, some face lotion in there. So I'm going to be speeding up the video from now on. I'm going to be letting you guys know some of the things that I did and didn't do and how you should do it or how I will do it next time. So first thing foremost, before you put on that cap on, I would advise that you just push all your edges back. Every little hair in the front, you push it back. As you guys can see, I'm trying to push it back, but if I had pushed it back before, it probably would have, laid better. I didn't pull my cap all the way down because obviously I couldn't see while I am doing it. If you're doing this in somebody else's head, do pull it all the way down. Even if you're doing it in your hair, you can pull it down too. There's a way around it. I'm just putting the Got To Be and drying it over and over again. As you guys can see, I am only sewing half of the cap on. I'm only sewing half of the cap on. It just gives you more of a wiggle room to scratch your hair and lift the wig up while you have it on for a while. And I think that's just a great thing to do. I have 2 glue. I would advise that you use 1 glue. I didn't put one on where you can use one, so I mixed both of them together. I would advise that you use 1 glue. Before I went ahead and take the cap off, I did went ahead and glue it just to make sure the cap was securely, attached and not going anywhere. I'm doing this cold just so that the cap is laying flat, and then I'm going to add some alcohol on the front of my forehead just to make sure there's nothing on my forehead, to make sure that this glue really stick. Okay, y'all see what I mean? We got some wiggle room in the back. Now I'm just trying to find my color in this cap. So I did my 3 coats. I was very generous with the amount of glue that I was putting on. I didn't realize I was rushing so hard that I didn't realize I didn't add any foundation to the wig at all, guys. Don't miss that step. I missed it and I wasn't gonna go back. I didn't have enough time to go back. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to make sure this wig laid down, and then I try to add some like concealer to it. LOL, y'all, do not laugh at me, but yes, I am combing out this wig with my heater. So, and then I added some mousse. Make sure the mousse you're adding to your hair doesn't have any alcohol in it, because if it does, your wig is gonna fall off, okay? I'm just going in now, taking out some hair from my baby hair. I'm going to tie it down just to make sure this lace is actually, glued down maximum. Y'all watch me struggle. I don't know what to do. In the meantime, while I hold this wig down, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair all the way so I can see how it's gonna look like. Y'all, I don't really know how to do those babies' hair. They're just not falling into place. No matter how many moves or cut I do, they're just not falling into place. So you'll see I just decided to move on and just focus on the ones that was going to be showing. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is pretty much the final look. I am happy with it. Is it perfect? No. But I'm happy with it. It's lasted me like two weeks. 2 weeks. You know, I did my best to hold it down for 2 weeks and I ended up taking it off. But it was a really good little hairstyle. It was easy to handle. I didn't have to iron my hair every day. And as you guys can see, I literally focused on what was going to be showing. And it looked good to me. Nobody will ever know. Okay? Thank you guys so much. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Yes, I know I messed up. Next time will be better. This was my first time and I'm proud of it. Bye.